Today we're going to speak about support for batched start and creation activities within the Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 4.4 console. So we introduced batch tasks a couple of releases ago, and it's been a useful tool, but based on customer feedback, we've recently introduced the ability to perform batched actions against create and power on activities. And the way you would perform this is by selecting a host pool, selecting hosts and power on, and we can see that we have a process hosts in groups of dialog within the console now. So we can specify an amount of machines that we wish to power on in a batch. So if we have 150 machines in a pool, we may want to process that in groups of 10 and therefore have 15 batches. Similarly, for creation activities, if we wanted to add a group of new hosts, let's say 100, we can see that the batch dialog appears when we go anywhere above 1, and we can say that we want to process those activities in groups of 10, which reduces the overall demand on the Azure API, allows all activities to complete, but in a more organized schedule of 10 devices per batch. So those 10 would complete first before moving on to the next 10. This is a useful feature in environments where Azure API constraints come into play and where you want to manage the amount of activities that would happen per event. I hope this video has been useful. Thank you very much for your time, and we'll see you again.